this old stuffed animal is being turned into a brand new outfit for a doll, giving this plushie a second life, and the result is so rewarding. This Mr. Frog was tossed aside by his owner, but he still looks pretty new. It'd be a waste to just throw it away. And the doll at home needs an outfit. So it's time for a little makeover. First, let's take Mr. Frog apart. Remove all the stuffing. This leaves the outer skin, which is exactly what's needed. Next, separate the head from the body. And just like that, you have a little outfit. If you wanted to make a full mascot-style suit, you'd be pretty much done at this point. But the goal is to have the arms and legs showing, so there's a bit more work to do. For the size, just eyeball it. As long as it's a little bigger than the doll, it'll be good. Cut it out and check the fit. This is the back piece. The front is cut into a tank top shape. Cut that out as well. And remember to leave the straps a little long. Lay the pieces out to see how it's looking. It's starting to come together. Now, it's time to sew these pieces together. Remember to sew them with the right sides facing each other first. Then turn it right side out. The one-piece vest is done. Time for a fitting. The outfit is done. For the hat, simply sew up the back. There's already an opening on top, which is perfect for her ears to poke through. Don't let the accessories go to waste either. The suction cup is removed, grab a little charm, and now the string becomes a strap for a little crossbody bag, ready to go out and play.